So if you're holding Quant QNT right now, you must pay close attention because today we've got a very massive emergency video for the Quant QNT price because the past couple of days has been absolutely crazy for the Quant QNT price. We even dipped to as low as $70 right here, and now we are finding support at a key support level. So most likely everybody's confused right now, and that is why I cannot wait to talk about the recent price action and discuss with you guys what I am expecting next for the Quant QNT price. So to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my longer time frame outlook. But here we are in the daily time frame. So to give you an update on what is going on, yes, for the past 2 months the Quant QNT price has been inside of this downtrend. So I'm sure that most of you are already bored right now with the price action, but do not lose hope because today we've got some hopium for you in today's video. I've got some hopium for you guys, and that is that Quant QNT is currently trading at a very major level of support at $84. If we do zoom out in the weekly time frame, the price has previously reacted strongly towards this level right over here. You guys can see in the weekly time frame the Quant QNT price has bounced really strongly off of the $84 level, and we began the new uptrend over here. So yeah, this is a strong rally towards the upside. So right now, since the price has reacted strongly previously towards this level, I am expecting this $84 level to continue to support the price with a high probability, because in technical analysis, it's not about predicting the future, but it is about understanding which is the most probable or the most likely scenario to play out, which in this case, I believe that there's a high chance we could see Quant QNT find support at the $84 level and have a nice pump towards the upside from here. That is my primary scenario, but of course I am not denying the fact that there is also a chance that we could see Quant QNT fail to hold this level as support. So that is why we must prepare for both scenarios. So if we do see Quant QNT break below $84 and flip this to resistance, that could, of course, that will be bad for the Quant QNT price, and that would increase the chances of us continuing this downtrend towards the next major support level at around right over here at the white line at $62. So yeah, you may be wondering, why is my target so low if we do see Quant QNT lose support at $84? Well, that is because if we do zoom out in the weekly time frame, you guys can see, yeah, the next major support is at $62. So that is why it's going to be very important right now that Quant QNT holds the $84 level as support, because once we do lose $84 as support, if we do lose this level and fail to hold this level as support right here, the next major support level is located at $62, and essentially it's a free fall from here. That is why right now it's going to be very important to bounce off of this level at $84 really quickly, so in order to expect some bullish price action. So right now, the price action, if I were to be completely honest, it looks very concerning, because right now we are trading at a very key level, and essentially we are currently at a decision point. So yeah, that is why two scenarios. If Quant QNT holds itself as support, I'm expecting a strong bounce towards the upside, because this is a key support level. But if things go and take a turn for the worst, and if you do lose $84, we could expect Quant QNT to find support at $62 in case it actually does happen. So watch out and prepare for both scenarios. Now let's talk about my longer time frame outlook for Quant QNT. So if I were to be completely honest with you guys, I currently don't hold any Quant QNT in my portfolio, and I have been open about this in the channel for quite some time now, that I am not holding Quant QNT, but I am still doing these analysis videos to you who hold Quant QNT, because I have subscribers who hold Quant QNT. But the point is, right now the price action in the longer time frames look really bad. We haven't been doing anything for about a couple of years now. The price action has been moving sideways for quite some time, for ages now, and essentially everybody's losing hope, everybody's selling out in their positions. Of course, it's normal to see that in cryptos that haven't been performing well, but all I can say right now is, if we want to see Quant QNT have a nice pump towards the upside, we must see Quant QNT bounce off of the $84 level really fast right now. We must do it immediately to maintain bullishness, essentially, because if we continue to move sideways for a couple of months from now, then the price action would look absolutely terrible. And there is a chance that once the bull run continues, once the bull run actually happens and everything pumps, there is a chance that the Quant QNT price could get left behind. And that is really bad. It could turn out to be, it could actually copy XRP's price action, because in the last bull run, we saw XRP not break past its previous all-time high. So there's a chance that if Quant QNT doesn't decide to pump right now, this could look really bad for the price, and we could have a pump obviously in the bull run, but there is a chance that we may not surpass the previous all-time high. So that is why it's going to be very important right now that Quant QNT makes a move fast. It must do it now. We must bounce off of $84, and we must see an impulsive move towards the upside now, because if that doesn't happen, then in the next couple of months, there is a high chance that, because technical analysis is based on probabilities, and if you continue to do this price action right here, there is a high chance that in the next couple of months, Quant QNT could still be doing the same thing right here, which is putting in boring price action. So this could be bad, and it could turn out to be XRP 2.0. So that is why I am emphasizing that diversification is very important in your portfolio. Also, I want to tell you guys we're approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description. Act now.